he under the elephant? There he goes! Ah, found you! Uh-oh. You'll never get me.
Get me, Mom.
Oh, JJ, I got a surprise. Come see what it is.
No, that mimic.
I have Cookie Monster toy.
Don't let the pie fight from Cookie Monster.
What are you talking about? Hey, don't throw my elephants. Uh-oh. Incoming. Oh.
I'm jumping over you.
Oh gosh. All right, JJ, what do we have here?
Big three.
Let's see.
Three.
Take all the numbers out.
Duckies.
3 duckies.
Oh no, black dragons.
Hey.
Elmo. Oh, you.
All right, can you teach everybody how to count?
Elmo.
Teach everybody how to count.
Big finger.
Okay. Take all the numbers out. Let's see. Let's do it. I'll help you.
Oh,
Remove. Remove.
Oh,
Remove.
ducker.
Remove. Remove. All right. Let's find number 5. Can you find me number 5? Number 5. Where are you?
Right here.
Yay! What number is that?
5.
Okay, put 5 where it goes.
Go here.
No.
Oh, right here.
Of course. All right, find me number 2. Where's number 2? Do you know where number 2 is?
2. Where's the number 2?
Find it. All the numbers are right over here. Where's number 2? You got it! Where does it go?
Here. Here.
Nice. Right there. Okay, now find me number...
6.
Okay, 6. 6 will work.
6.
Good job. Where does 6 go? No, I think that's a 6. Turn it around. Or is that a 9?
That's 4.
That's a 9?
That's not 4. That's not a
If it doesn't fit, it's a 6.
That's 4.
If it fits, that's a 9. Hold on. This is number 6.
This is number 6.
Good job. Now find number 1. Who's number 1? JJ's number 1.
Dad! 1.
Nope. That's a 7.
That's a 7.
Yep. Now, what number is that?
I don't know.
Number
1.
Good job. Where does number 1 go?
Here.
Very good. Now,
Cookie Monster!
what's that?
Cookie Monster.
That's number 10. Where's number 10?
Where's the number?
Number 10 right here.
Number 10.
Number 10 with 10 cookies. Nope. That's not where it goes. You know where it goes.
No.
Right there. No.
Yay!
Not. Nope. Nope. There you go. Now find me a number 3. JJ is how old? How old is JJ?
Ammo.
No. Find me a 3. Nope. You know that's not a number. There's some more numbers over there. Yes. Number 3. Put the 3 up.
3 duckies.
3. Let's see the duckies. Oh, yeah. Now we need a number 8 and a 9. Oh, and a 4.
4.
Can I get an 8? Number 8. Number 8, buddy.
Here.
No, that's number 2. I don't want number 2. I want number 8. It's over there.
Here.
What number is that? What number is that?
Here.
It's 8. Put it there for me.
Here?
No, you being silly.
You being silly.
You being silly. You know your numbers. Nope.
That's not gonna fit. Going here.
Now you know it's not going to fit there. Nope.
That's not going here.
Nope.
Yes, it did.
Look how silly the 8 looks right there. No bueno. It does not fit. Move number 8 right there. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, buddy. Give me a 5.
Good job, buddy. Whoa.
Now give me a number 4.
Let me jump. Oh, my way.
Oh boy, are we done with this? I'm gonna eat all the cookies because I'm Cookie Monster. Or is JJ gonna eat all the cookies?
Yeah.
Look at all the mess you've caused. Come eat all the cookies, Cookie Monster. Oh, great. Let's see. You're missing 2 numbers. What you doing?
Cookie!
Cookie Monster?
Cookie!
Oh no, don't put them in your mouth. Spit.
I ate all my cookies.
You're missing a 9. And a 4.
When? No, Cookie Monster.
Distract
And now,
yourself.
me eat cookie.
Okay, Cookie Monster. Let's clean it up.
No.
Give me a red cookie. I want a red cookie for lunch.
Here.
Thank you.
Cookie!
Can I have a green cookie now? A green cookie.
Okay.
A green cookie. I want a green cookie.
It's right here.
That's not a cookie. That's a number 6. Okay, fine. Give me a yellow cookie. I'll eat a yellow cookie. Over here. Those are cookies.
Those are cookies. That's not cookie.
Exactly. I would like a yellow cookie and a blue cookie.
Here.
Wow, thank you.
Cookie!
Delicious. Give me a blue cookie. And an orange cookie. You got it?
Cookie!
Open it.
I'll get my own cookie.
Cookie Monster.
Okay, thank you. Put them back. Fix the 10. Give me the 9. Oh, I'll fix the 4 for you. Put the 4 where it goes. Right here. Now give me... We're missing 1 number. I need a 9. Where's the number 9? Give me the 9. Where'd it go? Uh-oh, we lost the number.
Last number.
Oh, it's behind you. Behind you.
No more.
No, over there. Oh, great. Seriously? We love elephants.
Don't let the face.
This is my favorite.
Don't let the face.
Hey! Ah! You're attacking me! Elephant, get off of me. Ah! Okay.
Elephant.
I love you, elephant.